Good evening and welcome to Hybiz News. I am Amalu Katragadda. Government likely to extend Air India bid deadline to December 14. Investors to get flexibility on debt. The government is likely to extend the deadline to bid for Air India till December 14 and also give flexibility to a potential investor to decide on the humongous debt with the national carrier, a source said. The deadline to bid for buying out Air India ends on October 30th. The flexibility to potential investors on the quantum of the rupees 60,074 crore debt that they want to absorb will replace the current condition of the buyer taking over more than a third of the debt and transferring the rest to a special purpose vehicle. The source said the Air India Specific Alternative Mechanism AISAM has cleared the extension of deadline to December 14 to give time to potential investors to raise queries on the changes being made in the Preliminary Information Memorandum PIM. As per the Air India expression of interest floated by DIPAM in January, of the airline's total debt of rupees 60,074 crore as of March 31, 2019, the buyer would be required to absorb rupees 23,286.5 crore, while the rest would be transferred to Air India Assets Holding Limited AIAHL, a special purpose vehicle. The government is seeking to sell 100% of its stake in the state-owned national airline, including Air India's 100% shareholding in Air Express Limited and 50% in Air India SATS Airport Services Private Limited. Department of Investment and Public Asset Management DIPAM Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey had said that potential investors in Air India have given feedback that due to the uncertainty created by COVID-19 in the aviation sector, the debt should not be fixed at the expression of interest stage. The point is, what debt is sustainable? There is a point of view that it can be decided by the market rather than we upfront deciding, he said, adding AISAM would take a final call on whether bidding for Air India will take place based on equity value or enterprise value. A popular valuation methodology for takeover deals, enterprise value is a measure of a company's total value, often used as a more comprehensive alternative to equity market capitalization. EV includes in its calculation not only the market capitalization of a company, but also short-term and long-term debt as well as any cash on the company's balance sheet. For the current fiscal year, the budget has pegged disinvestment proceeds at rupees 2.10 lakh crore. This includes rupees 1.20 lakh crore from CPSE share sale and rupees 90,000 crore from a share sale in public sector banks and financial institutions, including the listing of insurance behemoth LIC. So far this fiscal, rupees 6,138 crore has been mopped up through CPSE stake sale, PTI JD ANZ. Thanks for watching Hybiz News.